Oh! Hi, how's it going? Reflection. CICADA. What's this? Okay. I already know who this is coming from. This is coming from Mr. Vanilla Lake. We got a new band. I believe this is a new band to me that I've never seen before, so let's see. Oh, that. Oh, here we go. Oh my god. Fucking Christ. What's with the good music tonight, man? Oh my, wait, okay. So much happened right there. Wait, where's it? Right there. By the way, fucking seizure warning. Jesus Christ. By the time I said that, like, people that are affected by this, boom, immediately. Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. Okay, that one was a fucking long ass pause. Okay. I feel like the main reason why I like this a lot, I mean, obviously it sounds dope as hell, but at the same time, it's something different. It's something unique that I've never really, listened to before. But even with that, like, I think this is like our second song ever listening to it, and I have yet to be fucking disappointed with this genre. Like, this just makes me more interested. Hands down. Wait. Good thing you're not epileptic, because this would be one hell of a reaction. Oh my god. Dude, imagine if I was. It would be like so fucking impossible to do this shit. Oh my god. Jesus Christ. Dude, I have a feeling that this genre, not a lot of people really fuck with it, because I don't know. To me, it feels like some people could say it's like too slow. It's too slow. Like, why are you listening to that? You should just listen to, I guess, death metal that's like, it keeps going. But hey, I'm open to this genre. I'm definitely open to this genre. They don't? Oh, okay. Hey, this, to me, this wasn't bad. To me, this is not bad. Like I would definitely re-listen to it to the extent of adding it to my daily playlist. I feel like this is one of those songs where I'll go back to it when I have time to add it to my playlist. But if it pops up, which I highly doubt it's gonna pop up anywhere, I would re-listen to it.